In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp Web when it's not working on your PC. Sometimes technology can be tricky, and when you rely on WhatsApp Web for communication, experiencing issues can be frustrating. Luckily, I've got some straightforward solutions that should help get things back on track. Let's start with the basics, refreshing the page. Sometimes all your browser needs is a little nudge to reload. You can do this by pressing the F5 key or by clicking the refresh button, typically found in the browser's toolbar. Often, this simple step can clear up minor glitches in the application's operation. Moving on, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve some persistent issues. Over time, outdated or corrupted data may interfere with the web application's functioning. Each browser has its specific instructions for clearing cache and cookies, so I recommend checking the support page for yours. It could make all the difference. Next, try logging out of WhatsApp Web and then back in. This action is particularly useful for resolving temporary login problems. You might recall that feeling when reconnecting seems to solve everything, and in many cases it does. A classic technique in troubleshooting is to restart your computer. Yes, a good old reboot can sometimes miraculously resolve unexpected system errors. It's quick and worth trying if you haven't done so already. Now let's focus on specific issues that might be affecting your connection to WhatsApp Web. Ensure your browser is updated to the latest version, as older versions can create compatibility problems. If you're unsure about your current version, you can usually find this information in the browser's settings. If you suspect the browser might be the issue, consider switching to another one such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Different browsers could have different results, and one might work better than others for running WhatsApp Web smoothly. The next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure it's stable and strong. If there are connectivity issues, this could hinder WhatsApp Web from functioning properly. Moreover, if you're using Wi-Fi, it might be helpful to try connecting to a different network or using your mobile phone as a hotspot. Browser extensions can sometimes be culprits in conflicts with web applications. Disabling them temporarily is a good way to check if they're the cause of your troubles. Not every extension will cause issues, but removing them from the equation could be eye-opening. Lastly, review your firewall settings. Occasionally, firewalls block access to sites like WhatsApp Web. Adjust your settings to permit traffic through web.whatsapp.com or .whatsapp.net. This step ensures the firewall isn't inadvertently causing problems. I hope these solutions help you get WhatsApp Web up and running again. Remember, perseverance is key when dealing with tech issues. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.